Are you curious about how to create such an interactive projection game? Let's take a look together. It's very easy and cheap. Today, we're introducing an innovative interactive projection game that updates in real time without changing the venue. With just a white wall or ordinary floor, you can create a stunning, immersive gaming experience. First, you need to prepare the following equipment, or, for convenience, buy an all-in-one interactive projection device. Just plug and play. Step 2. Install the projector. Step 3. Install the sensor. After setting up the equipment, the next crucial step is choosing an easy-to-use, stable interactive system. We'll provide detailed explanations and sources at the end of the video. With just a few simple steps and a quick calibration, you can enjoy this amazing interactive projection game. Now, let's check out the effects. So, where can you find these sensors and game software? For all-in-one machines or just sensors and software for your existing setup? Check the comments below or visit www.klmultimedia.com for details and tutorials. Still have questions? Contact their experts for one-on-one premium service.